on to the next startup which will be pitching. It's Cognilements. So Cognilements is a customer experience design and consultancy firm specializing in research, design, and building of digital-first solutions to empower enterprises with innovative digital customer experiences. So Cognilements, start with your pitch right now.
Hello, I'm Samudra with my co-founder Akshay. Cognilements is a customer experience company building digital tools focusing on high-value direct-to-customer products. We are building a technology platform to empower businesses with new-age tools to enrich their customer engagement and experience. There is a gap in the technology products available for these industries to showcase their offerings and enrich the customer experience. Boosting sales digitally, that is across physical and digital domain, through technology solutions is our major focus, while optimizing user journey to create an amazing and engaging customer experiences. In doing so, we also help these brands understand the user behavior around their offerings while enabling a seamless experience powered by our visualization tools. We do this through solutions built using our platform offerings. Tools which we are currently offering can be divided into three functions: analyze, optimize, and visualize. The tools focus on helping our clients 1. Analyze and understand customer behavior patterns. 2. Optimize, simplify, and implement business processes with engaging customer experiences. 3. Visualize modern experiences through website, apps, VR, AR, and communication bots and more. We have enabled major brands like Embassy, Brahmacorp, and more with modern digital customer experience solutions and immersive visualization technologies. We were just in time as pandemic disrupted their traditional business model. But we have been doing this since 2019 when we did the world's first VR Expo for the Pune realty market. Cognilements today is the ideal amalgamation of individuals from diverse backgrounds and disciplines to lead various verticals. The leadership team comprises of people coming from IITs and NITs along with experienced veterans to drive the organization. All chiefs today take the responsibility of driving the organizational goals across their verticals with a young dynamic workforce of 32 plus individuals. We are 2+ year old bootstrapped startup. We started with a vision of a modular platform, but we did not start with a product. Instead, we started with consulting projects around our vision. This has helped us build an amazing product market fit as we build the platform from our understanding the insights of live consulting projects. Today, the story of last 24 months says that the revenue share of our product is on the high rise. And in the last half of FY 2021, we have done close to 70 lakhs of product order book. We have serviced 60 plus clients through our MVP with an average ticket size of INR 8 lakh plus. The order book for the last financial year stands at INR 2.21 CR. Despite pandemic, our team size has grown by 4x. These are some of our valued clients who believed in our offerings and are using our platform to deliver amazing customer experiences. This includes Embassy, Hiranandani, Brahmacorp, ICICI Bank, Xanadu, and many more. Our market strategy can be divided into three focus areas. Top of the pyramid are our managed services built using our platform offerings reserved to service premium clientele. Mid and the bottom of the pyramid are our software as a service using only our product offerings to be serviced by our service and channel partners. Customer experiences are needed across all verticals, and the tools that we are building in the platform will help us rapidly service custom solutions. However, we are focusing our product offerings on high value item markets like realty, which is expected to be $125 billion by 2025, automobile showrooms to be around $78 billion, and also virtual events to be around $243 billion market. Our channels have contributed to 16.90% of our business in the last year, and the power to grow in the top and the mid of the pyramid is to take them along with us. However, the simplified product offering is the mantra to reach the bottom of the pyramid. Technology, when used to focus on delivering experiences, opens up opportunities for customer engagement and sales like never before. Our focus is simple. Let's create the ecosystem where businesses of any scale can leverage on the power of customer experience for better engagement.
Okay, Cognilements, I think I'll have to stop you here and
Sure.
I'll have to go to the judges for the Q&A. Judges?
So what's the depth of the spend which you expect on the services? So these logos which you mentioned, what is the average consulting revenue per customer?
Consulting revenue was quite like on a retainership model, kind of a lack of piece was there when we initially started. But right now, when the product offering comes, it goes as a bundle in terms of product to services. For a product, there is a subscription model where they pay out near about 6,74,000 year on year. Whereas in the services on the rendering part, it goes on project to project basis based on what sort of visualization elements they want to showcase.
And how big you see the scale of the product business eventually?
Considering the three segments of pyramid, we are expecting the 3 to 5% of our business coming from the top of the pyramid. However, the bottom and the mid of the pyramid would be giving us somewhere around ranging from 22% to 65% the bottom of the pyramid. The bottom of the pyramid, the product would be launching somewhere at around at 99K, or it would be equivalent to a rent of 8K per month kind of a thing if they have to go ahead. And whereas if I talk about the mid segment, where we are giving platform whole to do everything starting from visualization to the product part of it, it would range somewhere between 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs per ticket size per project.
You would have multiple competition across all your product streams. So who are your competitors? That's my first question. And second question is that, how are you different from them? What's the key USP which will get you scale?
Akshay, would you like to answer this question?
Yeah. So across these, across the products and tools that we are creating, right, we have various competition in the market out there. But at the same time, what we have noticed across the clients we have worked with is that they need a solution which all works together, right? One of our primary, one of our biggest brands, which is working with us, Embassy, right? They have in-house digital solutions, right? They have their apps, they have Salesforce, they have SAP products, for their backend processes. But all of this does not is unable to come together as a customer experience solution for them, right? They aren't able to offer all of that digital experience directly to their customers, which is the reason why they have why they have come on board with us. But like we mentioned, they're top of the pyramid, right? And we have even built custom integrations for them. And what that has done for us is, given our platform is modular, what it has done is we are able to even integrate with Salesforce and with other solutions which such big shots are using, while maintaining integrity across our offering and our customer experience solutions.
I didn't understand this last part about, let's say, SAP, etc. Like, my understanding was in the front, you were more on the front end, right? You were helping them design the customer experience and etc. So, can you just explain to me what's the link to
Right.
so far back end ERP
Right.
systems?
Right. So coming back to the point, like there are two components. One is the visualization technology, where we use components like AR, VR, MR to create various kind of experiences or any web applications. This gets combined with a business technology at the back end, which takes care of the business process modeling and the automations part of it. Where many times, if they are they have existing legacy systems, they want us to integrate with that. Otherwise, they want us to cover it up. So when we talk about customer journey, it talks about converting a suspect to a deal, where the whole journey talks about business transactions in between. And what we have done is bringing all of them at one seamless journey with all the gaps to be filled up in the physical as well as the digital touch points. So that's where the ERP and CRMs comes into the picture for connectivity.
Yep. So ERMs, for example, right, as you mentioned, those are working on business processes, but they are very much employee oriented, right? And what that is unable to do for companies like Embassy, for companies like Brahma Corp, is not provide the digital experience, right? Integrated digital experience, for example, generating doing KYCs, right? Generating agreements, doing bookings, right? All of that they are unable to do on the customer end, on the front end. So that is what we are enabling, and we have also built these tools in a way that we are able to connect with what they have already in place for those top of the pyramid big shots.
Judges and Cognilements, thank you very much.